The term blood cancer is really an umbrella term to include three predominant types of cancers, and that's leukemia, lymphoma, and myeloma. What's in common is that they're all cancerous processes of white blood cells. When those cells become uncontrolled in their growth, then they develop into different types of blood cancers according to the type of white blood cell.
It really is anyone who can be affected. The rate of blood cancers is actually increasing with time.
Leukemia, lymphoma and myeloma together make up about the fourth most common cause of cancer in Australia. About 50 people per day are diagnosed with blood cancers. The Epworth Centre for Immunotherapies and Snowdome Laboratories has a vision, and that vision is to bring state-of-the-art, cutting-edge treatments to our patients who have blood cancers. This is a vision about the future. There are too many patients who are getting treatment from yesterday. We need to move it to the treatments of tomorrow that can only be delivered through a centre like this. The major components are around personalised medicine and immunotherapy. Our immune system ultimately is what cures people of cancer. A key discovery has been the capacity to boost the immune system. The immune-based therapy is critical to how we're going to treat blood cancers today and tomorrow.
What we want to move towards is our precision medicine. That will translate to the doctor's understanding and knowing what treatment we can give them and match what mutation they may have to the treatment that we can offer them.
Because we're often able to match a treatment that is quite specific and selective to that tumour cell, unlike chemotherapy, which has wide effects at killing all sorts of cells, more targeted agents are actually better to tolerate for patients. The Epworth Centre for Immunotherapies and Snowdome Laboratories is a world-class group of doctors, scientists, study coordinators who have access to the latest in terms of therapeutics and equipment required to treat patients with blood cancer.
What we're doing here at the centre is really cutting-edge treatments which should result in people living longer, better lives, but also making major scientific discoveries which will provide new treatments into the future. There's no way any of this could have happened without the amazing, generous support of the Epworth Medical Foundation, Snowdome Foundation, individual donors, and the Epworth community. The establishment of the centre was 100% supported by philanthropic funds. Investing in innovation is what Epworth's about, and investing in innovation is what this centre's all about.
We've been able to build what I would consider a state-of-the-art centre which houses the most sophisticated technology and pieces of equipment that we are ready to provide blood cancer patients access to what they need.